Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ramen like Naruto easy method. Start by simmering 4 cups of water with a kombu strip, then steep bonito flakes for dashi and strain. Add soy sauce and mirin, taste and adjust salt. Prepare noodles separately, rinse briefly, and assemble bowls with broth, noodles, sliced chashu, a soft boiled egg, narutomaki, and scallions for a bright finish. Create a layered broth by starting with kombu, then adding bonito flakes for umami depth. Keep the kombu out before a full boil to prevent bitterness. Once the bonito is steeped, strain and return the clear broth to heat. Stir in soy sauce and mirin gradually, tasting as you go until you reach a balanced savory profile. This creates a clean, rich base that complements noodle texture and toppings. Choose fresh or high-quality instant noodles and cook them to al dente timing. After draining, rinse briefly to remove excess starch, then reheat in hot broth when serving. Make ajitsuke tamago by soft boiling eggs for 6 to 7 minutes, cooling, peeling, and marinating in soy and mirin. Add seared chashu, narutomaki, corn, and scallions as finishing touches to create the playful Naruto look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.